In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. Begin by opening the TikTok app on your mobile device. Find the user you want to block by tapping on their username in the For You page or by entering the username into the search bar. On the user's profile page, tap on the three dots in the top right hand of the corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select the Block option. A warning message will appear. Read it carefully, and then tap Block again to confirm. By following these steps, you will successfully block the user on the mobile app of TikTok. Blocking a user on TikTok will prevent them from viewing your content, sending you messages, or interacting with you in any way. If you change your mind, you can unblock users by navigating to your blocked list in the app's settings. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this